Well, welcome back DIY car guys and car girls. And today we're gonna pull this carburetor off the Vega and we're gonna see exactly how many bolt holes are stripped in this guy, because I know there's at least one. So let's get to it. There's one. You can see how it's all stripped out. Can you see in there? There's no threads at the top. There's the other one. A little more threads, but still pretty awful. Pretty awful. And since that one right there is not coming out, I'm going to also assume that it's pretty awful. Gosh darn it, all four of them. So, you guys see exactly what I'm talking about the rabbit hole, which is this Vega. So I'm going to tape this up because we're going to have to be drilling and installing helicoils. So to prevent anything from falling in this guy, we're just going to tape it up. So then we got to go and grab some helicoils. Fun, fun. But it needs to be done because I am definitely not going to half-ass it. I can't. Apparently I don't know how to peel tape and put it on all of a sudden. Come on, tape. There we go. One more. All right, so. All right, guys, so unfortunately, every single bolt hole in the intake is stripped. So we're gonna have to repair 4 bolt holes with helicoils, and we're not going to put that one back on, so I'll probably need to get brand new studs for this guy. I might have some in there that I can give him a break on the price. So I have to figure out a price that he's willing to stomach and I'm willing to do the work for. That's kind of how this stuff goes, I guess. So let's go ahead and throw the cover back on, get a helicoil, and repair it. All right, so we got some shavings to clean up. But we had it all taped up while we're doing it. Here's the helicoils. And here's the last one we put in. Whoop! That looks way better. So let's clean up these shavings and stick the new carburetor on there. All right, hold on to your butts. You gonna give me some throttle? Okay, so it sounded a little lean. I mean, not real little lean, but it sounded a little weak on the accelerator pump. So all I did was switch out to a pink cam, which is larger than the one that was on there. It had another pink cam, but it was a smaller pink cam. So now we got the larger pink cam. We'll start up and we'll see if it sounds a little better when you blip the throttle. Okay, the wind's about to blow everything away. So I think we made good progress for today. This thing sounds even better than I've ever heard it before. This 750 is perfect for this compared to the 950 over there, because that thing now sounds super responsive. Nat, when you get in this thing, it's gonna be a different freaking car. Got a couple more things to iron out, but we're getting there. I'm excited now because that sounds way better.